The most fundamental skill of scripture study that we find is when we're marking our scriptures. So go ahead and open up your Gospel Library app, pick a chapter or a verse, and pretty simple. All you're going to be doing is touching and holding, and you can take these little bars and drag them over the words or phrases that you would like to highlight. And then in the top left corner of this menu, you're going to hit the word mark. That'll bring up a marking for you immediately. Yours might look a little bit different than mine. Now you can change the style. You see that top left corner, that little letter A turned to a style. Now you touch that, it'll give you the whole menu of different colors. I'm going to go ahead with a dark blue highlight. Now our options vary between either highlight or underline. Those are the basics of highlighting. Some words I prefer to highlight, some words I prefer to underline. When I want to add emphasis, I do it a little bit different. Now, you don't have to just say that's done and over with. You can also say I didn't like what I did, so I'm going to hit the remove button on that menu in the bottom right corner. It has a little trash can. You hit remove, and it's gone immediately. One of the things that people tend to forget is just as much as you can highlight in your paper scriptures an entire verse, you can still go through and you can also emphasize words or phrases. So I'm going to go ahead and emphasize this. These two words right here, there are not many greater. So I'm going to highlight that with yellow. Now I've got two different highlights on there. Maybe I don't want all of them on there. Maybe I want to get rid of the blue. I can tap on it. It'll bring up both the highlights that I have. I'll choose which one I don't want or want to change, and so I'll tap on the blue one. I'm going to hit remove, and now I've just got that one marked in there. Pretty simple. There's just a few different things that you can change. Once you get that mastered, you can move forward with adding notes.